In this quick and simple tutorial, I'll show you how to generate your WhatsApp link and share it with friends or family members. The process is super easy and works on both iPhone and Android devices. Let's get started. The first step is to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Now, WhatsApp doesn't have a direct option to copy your link, but don't worry, we can use a simple trick to create the link manually. All you have to do is open a conversation with the person you want to share your link with. This can be on any platform like WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or even via text message. It really doesn't matter. To create your WhatsApp link, type WAMI, followed by your WhatsApp phone number. Make sure to include your country code as well. Once you've typed your link, send it into the conversation. Now, when the person clicks on that link, it will open a WhatsApp conversation with you, and they'll be able to message you directly. And that's how you can generate and share your WhatsApp link. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.